sea level now.
Under the sea.
This is coming down into the valley. That's Badwater. Over on the right over there is the salt flats and stuff.
We're going to go down to minus a bit. Can't it, yes?
Look, minus 190 feet.
Where are you going here, like?
48, quick one with the side.
I don't.
Well, that's fine.
This sign is better actually.
Yeah.
Right, go on then.
Down there. Furnace Creek, that's where we are just now.
We came up on that middle there.
I'm not quite sure what he's awaited by.
Little things make it stop. Thank
Down
you
the
for
hall.
what
Yeah,
you
they
do.
come home.
The
And
ranch
I
at
hope you
Death Valley.
have the day off, knowing there's
Where's
a lot
the
of
market?
people related.
So we're going to Badwater.
Yeah, might as well. It's just over there.
What actually is in Badwater?
Nothing, it's the lowest point on Earth.
Lowest point.
Lowest point of land on Earth.
Really?
Yes.
Sus. In the 80s, we just said suspicious.
Yeah, if one goes, that's fine.
So if you get chips and then you
Alan Hunter, 80s on 8. Here's
they all
to
should just
Daryl
go.
Hall's
get some of this
health and his
sprinkle it on your
recovery from
chips.
COVID.
But what
He
kind of a
fell
fucking
ill
parking
last
is that
week while he
like?
was on vacation. What was he thinking?
Well,
Up in Vancouver, 3
well,
songs
you-
into the set, he had to
people
walk
come
on
here in an
stage
open
and was feeling
space.
ill.
This is right out in the middle of the valley. Devil's Golf Course they call this. It's just all the dried salt. Is it salty?
what a lovely experience, I think. Isn't it amazing?
Kind of amazing. Big salt flat. Now, do you want to go to Badwater or what?
Mum,
I think it would be good now that we are very near. We're done
Very.
halfway. In fact, no, you can't even see it.
yes you can. How can I see it then?
We'll just have to sit behind these dimwits all the way to Badwater, I'm afraid.
Right.
Honestly, and
An
just
head.
to wet my mind because
He doesn't even know what wind
Lots of-
is.
lots of
That much
shit in
of an
there.
head.
yeah, go to the front.
No, this is where the ramp is.
I know. There is a ramp on the other side.
Here we are at Badwater. I don't know if you can hear me above that wind, it's a hot wind, but anyway, this is Badwater, lowest point. Mine's 282 feet, I think this is, below sea level. There is a wee sign up there that says sea level, but I can't quite see it. I can't really see the screen, unfortunately. Maybe you can see it. It says 120 degrees in the car. I think it's hotter out here with the sun reflecting off the salt there. Clouds come over, I can see the sea level sign now, so alright, let's zoom in on that. So this here is the original Badwater pool. A surveyor mapping the area couldn't get his mule to drink from this pool, so he wrote on his map that this was Badwater, so there you are.